Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos that very special. And guys, right now I'm in Migori town, so I want to show you guys some activity for today. For those people who are asking me, hello baby, show us the Karabat. So right now guys, I'm just come here for the big company that are making Karabat, guys, and the engineer just over here. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. And maybe guys, it's good to promote his business. At the same time, he was selling the blocks. I asked him now at how many? This is 700. Sindio?
This is 75.
75 shillings?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, guys, like one like this is 75 Kenyan shillings, and then a total of 53,000 Kenyan shillings, because I was bringing those blocks at my site, and I think it's yellowish right there, not this one. And my big aim to be here, guys, is to make a deal with my engineer, and also we go back home so they can take the measurement, and you see how he was making the Karabat. So this one here, it's meant for the roads. Senior barabara. Yeah, guys. So we can't put this in my borehole, guys, because the circumference is somehow smaller, you know. Wow. Na itakuwa inatoka kama hii tu. Itakuwa inatoka kama hii.
Na kuna nyingine kubwa pale.
Okay.
Hiyo ya chini kidogo inazidi.
Kwa tembeza watu wangu waone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, guys. At the same time, it's good to ask permission before we go on. And my baby just right there. Wow. Okay. Habari. Guys, let me see the bigger one. Hey. This is the bigger one?
Yeah.
Lakini unaenda kutengeneza kwa kisima ni kubwa zaidi ya hii.
I mean inakaribia hii, lakini inazidi hii kidogo.
Hii kidogo.
Kulingana na ile
uko chini.
Kama hii tunasema ni 600.
600? Circumference. Yes.
And that is 450 circumference.
This one? This one?
That is the smaller one.
Oh, the smaller one. This one here. And also, these are metallic, guys, you know, for making those stuff. Maybe, guys, people are watching this video, they will be shocked how they make this Karabat. You see, guys, this metallic looks like circular in form, and then it creates something like this, you know. Right, so let's move. And na karabati moja kama hii mnauzaje?
Karabati moja kama hii tunauza shilingi 3,500.
Yeah. Guys, I'm asking the price of one Karabat. It's 3,500 Kenyan shillings, you know.
And the other one is 25.
25, the smaller one.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, guys, me nothing to be hide, I'm showing you. And also, if you want to create a fence, there is a post here. Okay. Wow. Hawa tunaongea kizungu.
Ndio hiyo sasa.
Nasikia Kijaluo.
Yeah.
Guys, this is a post. You can see? Yeah. Or you can pass the barbed wire right here. Wow. Okay.
You want to ask the price?
Yeah. Maybe somebody watching these videos, they want to know the price.
Yeah. Per each concrete fencing pole is 2,500. That is 2,500. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, which material did you need for me to make a Karabat in my borehole?
Yeah, the first material you can use the cement, concrete, which is the concrete.
Yes. So we have so many categories of concrete.
Yeah. So the first is sand, cement. Which can I?
And also waterproof.
Waterproof cement. And the last one is a stone. What? Can I say what?
You can take me around and then we see.
Okay.
Yeah, guys.
And then that other thing. This is called a bracket.
Which one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
For holding this post?
Yeah, holding this post.
Okay, around the corner like that one?
Yeah, around the corner.
Yes.
And the middle.
Okay.
So.
Oh, guys.
The other one is these are road caps.
Oh.
Yeah.
How much did you say for this one?
It's only 500.
500. And maybe if I want to put going to the toilet, doing the like a walkway.
A walking way, yeah.
Yeah.
Can make.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, you can see guys. Na hizi zinawekwa kwenye ukuta.
Hizi zinaweka kwenye ukuta, zinaitwa wall coping.
Yes, to prevent like splashing water. Maji yasiende kwa ukuta. Yeah. Na matengeneza nzuri.
Zinatoka smart.
Twende.
Vile hii inaitwa
habari. IBD.
IBD.
Ni za nini?
Hizi sasa sehemu yenye kuna drainage.
Oh, mtaro.
Yeah, yani sasa zingine ni ka filling station. Imewekwa drainage kutoka pande na pande na maji ikifika kule isiende sasa zingine kwa vyumba na wapi.
Oh, yanakimbia. So mnayapanga hivi.
Mnayapanga ya madude hivi alafu yanakimbilia.
This one here guys, maybe you have a ditch, a small ditch, water is flowing, and then you put this one to control soil erosion. Maybe. Mimi sijui. Watajua kwenda mbele.
Watajua kuendelea.
And this one?
Inaitwa spindles.
Spindles. Yes. For the balcony.
Yeah,
or porch.
Yeah. Spindles.
And the one? Also, I'm building. Maybe my engineer needs this one.
You want a price?
Yes.
The price is for 450.
One
each.
Yeah,
each.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
I think maybe this is nice.
This is
modern one.
Spindle box. Yeah, it's still spindle, but the pattern is different. Spindle box. Yeah.
Okay.
The same is
the price. The
price is the same. The price is the same.
But this one is the common one.
Yeah. Okay. This is the common.
Wow.
This is called road channel. Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Maybe kama maji kwa lami wanaweka hivi anakimbia anapiga kona.
Hiyo sasa. Sasa kama moja inakuja shilingi 400.
Okay, this road channel. Yeah, there's no need to bargain.
Yeah.
I know maybe the cost of cement, sand, balance stones.
Yeah.
They will put the price.
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Nothing to bargain there.
Spindle 1 feet. This is the smaller. Yeah.
It's not heavy, guys.
It's not heavy.
I think like it's not okay. Wow, twende sasa unionyeshe kama kokoto ni gani unahitaji.
Ndio hiyo sasa. Hata sasa tunasema pavement slab.
Yeah?
Pavement slab.
This one, pavement. Oh, maybe like for example, I'm going to my house, I can put this one.
I can put this one.
Yes. Once. Something. Okay.
Even walking way.
Yeah.
Go into the toilet. you can build it.
Yes, guys. I was watching my video, and also for those people who are living in America, I see this one for the entire homestead. From the toilet to the house, from the gazebo to the house. I see this one.
True.
Yes. Wow. Nice one, guys. And maybe you can link your WhatsApp number here. Maybe somebody wants to promote your business, they can promote.
Yeah.
Yes.
My phone number is 07.
No, plus 254.
Plus 254
7
18. Then 18 734 126 126.
Maybe nitauliza yule ndo atakuwa quick and fast.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, guys, repeat that WhatsApp number in case you are new here, and then maybe you need the carabat, you need anything, guys. Post. You can maybe contact them. So balance nini mawe niko nao ni kama hii. Yeah. I have these balance stones. Yeah. Okay. And also these are cabron. Hey. Na moja mnauza ngapi?
Moja tunauza 30.
30 bob?
Yeah.
Kwa sawa.
Moja tunauza 30.
This is a company. My brother, maybe you can link your WhatsApp number here. Yes, for the good customers.
Okay, yes.
How are you?
Yes.
Yeah, you can maybe, yes.
07.
No. It starts plus 254. Our code is 254. Yes.
254.
Yes, and then
28.
you start 254 7.
7 28 166 487.
Okay, repeat one more. 254
254 728 166 487.
Right.
Yes.
Wow, you have already had the contact. In case you came to Africa, you need to run their business. You can see from here. Aya, tuenda rafiki yangu. Acha tuenda angalia kazi. That's how we make hizo stuff, si ndio? Si mnaochiki video za kina Tumbiri, yule mjedo wenu. Si mnaochiki. Hivyo tu ndo anafanya. Si kitu kingine. Okay. Haya tunaweza enda. And then guys, this is a tap here. What is available? Okay. Ngoja tuende na yeye. Apime, aniambie kesho kutwa anze kazi. Okay guys, let's go. This is a mortar. And also mixed by cement, sand, waterproof. You get something quality. Wow.
And whitewash.
Yeah?
And whitewash. Inside there.
Oh, ndio iko ndani?
Yeah, iko ndani.
Ninafanya hizi vitu zinatoka hivi.
Inatoka bright.
Ile ni kwa kisima, hakuna cha bright. Kwa kisima. Okay guys. This is a carabat. If you don't know how the carabat looks like, I've already shown you guys. You see how it looks like. Wow. Okay. Alright guys, it's time to go and I need to wear the helmet for my protection. Everyone, my helmet. Thank you. It's wonderful. So we just accompanied my engineer from here back home. So he also have the motorbike right there. Tunaweza enda. That's the Honda. Haya ba. Left that place right there. So it's time to go back, guys, you know. Just make a deal, guys, to be done, you know. So I'm riding the bike back home. Wow. So that's my engineer right there. Hotel Vana. It's a nice restaurant and hotel. Let's go. Kenya Relief, a nice school. Kenya Relief Academy. It's a missionary school, you know, right here. guys, I want to shoot a little bit because of the voice, and then I'll wear the jacket. No, the helmet, I mean. No. Wow. So to raise up my voice a little bit, you know. This is the tarmac road which connects East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. That's my helmet right here. After this videos around maybe 20 minutes, I'll wear the helmet, guys. But sorry, be with me. Bicycle. That's a V8, man. TX. Motorbike are affordable, you know. It's cheaper to maintain, like it's easy to maintain, it's affordable. You can make people, they can afford the motorbike. But nowadays, guys, somehow really expensive. But most of the people buy the motorbike for the loan, you know, paying so slowly. That's why you see the rate of motorbike or the population of motorbike go higher. We're going slowly, guys, at our own pace. And when you're watching this video, guys, that's how we're going home. That's the KK right there. You know, we keep moving, man. We keep moving. So we're going home. My engineer, they can take the measurement, and also the following day, which is tomorrow, probably on a look for the also engineer who dig the borehole to remove the sand. And then the following day, my engineer come to start the work of fishing. Let's move. Super green, guys. And also, guys, we just divided, you know, by the Luo and Korean on other side right there. So actually we are neighbors, you know. We are neighbors. See tourists here. Keep moving. I see the tourists, guys. Vehicles, so many right now, right here. You know. Hey. Guys, please leave a sweet comment. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. And also big shout out to Jamaican uncle. He was around at the village right now, guys. You know, he was a nice man, you know, ever. So yesterday I said welcoming Jamaican uncle. One of my subscribers said it's a clickbait. You will see the part of the videos, guys, you know, although we didn't make the video with him, but it's good to welcome Jamaican uncle, you know. Also have family from Jamaica, you know. Why not, guys? I supposed to welcome my Jamaican family back to their motherland, you know. Wow. Yeah, guys, it's good to have family outside there. Also have family from US, Texas, Caribbean, Bahamas, UK. Let me say, guys, generally I have family from entire world. I'm telling you. Like, I'm not faking things. When Jamaican uncle came to Africa, we should welcome him in good way, you know. It doesn't matter, guys, whether we can make a video with him. No. Also, a title can matter. Welcoming Jamaican uncle to Africa, and then from Africa to our village, you know. Wow. We keep moving on, guys. So that's my helmet. When my video is around maybe 20 minutes, I will wear my helmet. There's a pond or a dam right here. Let's move, guys. The reason why I take out the helmet or I remove the helmet is to hide my voice as we go. Right, I don't want to leave my engineer behind because when he takes the measurement and everything, I'll put the gas for him for taking him back. Wow. Keep moving, man. Also, this is a hospital right here, you know. I see the maize corn right here. The guy selling eggs within here, you know. This is a matatu. That's Rory. We're heading that way. I'm looking at back. I don't want to leave my engineer behind, man, you know. This is a church. Pay for church. Right here. So guys, I'm walking at pedestrian place, you know. So that's the reason why I normally film my videos alongside this place. That's a Pro Box or a matatu that we have here, you know. Shit. Let's move. Also, this cookie thing, this is secondary school and also primary school. It's a primary school, right? There's a secondary school. You know? Yeah. Okay. That's how we go, guys. But I'm sorry for the windy, you know. The wind is too much. And then I didn't have the mic to control my GoPro. No. Wow. Guys, I see a lot of people right there. What has happened, man? Right there. I see a lot of motorbike. What's happened here? I don't know. I don't know what has happened here, man. Right here. I don't know what has happened, man. Yeah, I heard, guys. Like they caught thief who's in the motorbike. Crazy. Okay. Let's go, guys. But these videos should not take long minutes or hours by driving. No. It's around 30 minutes, and then I'll show you when we reach back home, guys. Today my video starts from Migori. And then it depends which place that I'm going to end my video. You know. Let's move. So this is the entrance of Mabera. This is the entrance of Mabera right here. Yeah. On the other side, within here, that's where we brought our grandma at the hospital, right here. You know. Yeah. And also, guys, today we'll check my grandma, how she was doing. You know, how she was doing. Yeah, guys, I was checking on the side mirror. I don't want to left my engineer behind, you know. Wow. Let's see, guys, how the magic maybe work. Magic, guys, how it works. Right here they cut tax. Yeah, there's a Catholic church right here in Mabera. I think this is Catholic church. Yeah. Not I think, I'm sure of that. That's Catholic church. No. Wow. So right now, guys, I'm in Mabera town. The speed was around 50 kilometers right here. Not over speeding. Also, there's a DC office right, and also police. We gotta move, man. We're gonna move. We're gonna move. We're gonna move. That is my better town. That's how it looks like. in the morning. You know, people are drying the maize, come right here. You wanna see, guys? And also it was not my first time to shoot the videos here. I normally create my videos within here. You know, I normally create my videos as a matatu. You know. Wow. Fundi ni bebe huyo anakuja. Kaa kwa hiyo. Natengeneza video kaa kwa hiyo. Eh. Wow. There's a truck right here. I'm almost, guys, to wear my helmet. Okay. See? Down there's a supermarket, restaurant, petrol station. Okay. Wow. Guys, I see the company vehicles. Flex. You see that one is parking. The green one is going that way. These are matatu. The kind of a tax that we have here. There's an MP home right there. Okay, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next vlog. Alright, guys, we're back to my village right now. So that's how we go, and it's quite nice day, you know. So that's hello babe on the helmet, guys. That's my village coming right there. Twende. Right. Back to the village, guys. Yeah. When I'm going at a higher distance, I need to wear the helmet. But I was in here, I ride slowly, guys. Sweet home sweet. Home sweet, sweet home. Right here. Way back. You know. Okay. That's my construction right here. We're gonna move, man. Guys, we're back home with my engineer. So this is the borehole right here. Hadi vitoto vimeanza kucheza. Akinaga gesi kama unajua kwingi unaweza ingia upime.
Lakini stairs.
Kina stairs. Sasa yule jamaa mwenye alikuja akaosha mchanga unaona hapa. Aliingiaga mwenye alikichimba. Sasa kama kipimo muone kesho waje watoe kesho kuta. Hata unaweza leta vitu kesho virale.
Jana hivi. Wameshatoa. Kula yani vilale tu.
Vilale kesho kuta wewe unakuja tu. Guys, we have avocados here. Imagine. You sit below and then there's avocado. Okay. Kwa napiga mahesabu tena nikibomoe.
Utianze upi.
Ngoja mmoja alikichimba ni bubu.
Ni bubu?
Sasa hii michanga unaona hapa. Ilikuwa imebomoka mara ya kwanza kuja tena akatoa. Hata kisema kijamaliza miezi 5 ina miezi 3 shabomoka.
Changa ndio mbovu.
So he want to go down and then see how the carabat will fit. Guys, so I will wait the result, you know, and then to avoid maybe cost of demolish the borehole and then doing what, putting the carabat. So right now they will come back with the staffs and then push. You'll see, guys. You'll see. You know, I'll get some feedback from him. Maybe demolish on top, like here, or we do maybe like the way it is. But I think that metallic they will pass here. Trust me. Yeah, guys, it's good to get water, and you know, it assists me in terms of construction sites. You know, maybe my work is to put machine here, pumping toward. I'll see, guys. I'll see. Maybe I'll give the guy a day. The work is like to fetch water from here, putting on a drum, and then going to other side. All right, guys. Yeah, this I'm calling home. You know, it's a chill morning, and we thank God, man, for the gift of life. We are alive. We see amazing day like this. It's by God's grace. I got to Migori, came back safely. It's by God's grace, man, you know, for the short travel, you know. And as long as I have my motorbike, I maneuver around, man. Also, as I'm waiting my engineer to go down, we need water for the bathroom or outdoor pit latrine, you know. We have both bathroom, toilet. It's need water, man, you know. Also to do some cleanness here and there. So I hope, guys, I'm showing people these things for several times, but when I'm explaining things in good form or in good way, you know. So this is my mom's toilet. You can see right now there's no water because we have shortage of water. The borehole collapsed, and that's why I'm trying to renovate it to create a carabat from the ground, you know. You can see there's no water here, you know. Maybe when somebody coming here, they can go and fetch water, maybe one bucket and put here, and then when they excuse themselves inside here, wow. And also, you know, an expensive toilet. Even right now, we have already closed it because none of business, no water, you know. We have the bathroom, it's need water, people to bathe inside here, you know. Also mopping down of the floor, you know, you can see also how the tiles it looks like very dirty. Right, maybe somebody touched here. Probably soon, guys, we wanna get water by God's grace, you know. Yeah, like I'm not faking things, guys, you know. And Mom, I wanna say thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. Oh, I see my engineer coming on top. Umefika chini? Oh, nini got? Oh, foot. Pole pole. Oh. Ninashika simu tena, Mungu wangu. Okay. Lift up tape measure this. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Fixed it here. Wow. So he went to the tape measure so he can able to bring the exact measurement. Yeah, putting the carabat from the ground up to top notch, it's expensive, so we need to put how the man that I have, I see whether it can keep pushing as long as we get water. I know like the wall is not like a smooth one, maybe it can maybe collapse. We have some steps which are very hard, and then we have some steps which are very smooth. The smooth one is the one that are falling down like boom, boom. Right. Let's see, guys. Guys, let me say hello to my mama. She's not around. How you are, mama? Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Good morning, mama.
I am fine.
You are fine. I
I
wonder
am
fundi
good.
basi. Wakujenga.
Niko sawa. Hivyo ni sawa.
Eh?
Ni kibu sibonu tirawa sekana tiburu skulu wa ruwa.
Alright guys, we are going to Borehole town right now, so I need to sort him out, you know, maybe for the fuel, and then by tomorrow evening they will bring back some construction stuff or material for making carabats, you know. Let's go. So he told me we're gonna pump water from the borehole, and then as we create the borehole, like the carabat, man, it's a lot. Okay guys, let's build Africa, you know. Yeah, I'm trying my best as I can, you know. So I'm around at my village, guys, vibing, you know. Wow. So we keep moving, guys, up to Borehole town, and then I want to salt him a little bit, like $5 for putting the gas, so he can able to bring those materials for constructing the carabat, you know. Wow. So I'm gonna meet the tarmac road and then going to Borehole town. Let's move. And guys, it's lunchtime right now. students are going back home for lunch hour. Wow. I need to go slowly because I see the traffic. Well, that tourist car. We're gonna move, man. That's my Roman Catholic Church right here. Yes, tourist vehicle KDR. Whoa. Hey, look at this lady. Let's go. That's village life. Look at this one here. Wow. Super amazing view, guys, from this side. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. So probably I think, guys, I'm gonna organize how you bring the cement back home. Come at the shed here, guys. Tundu na mwaje, nikupe 500 mweke mafuta. Nikupe 500 mweke mafuta.
Niwekee tu mafuta.
Ayo mwekea 500. Eh! Mweke 500. Wow. So we're putting the gas for $5. Well, guys, I'm back home, and yeah, sister, come you say hello. No, just pull up home, guys, and then give you some full stories about concerning my borehole, guys. You know, so that's my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yeah, that's my sister. With her socks, shoes. Right, you just go with a brand new bag. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for taking care of my sisters in terms of basic need, you know, education. I just supporting, guys. I just support for your support, guys, you know. So even right now here, the engineer told me you're supposed to remove this circular stuff here on top. And yeah, I agree, guys. You know, I agree on that. Yeah, as long as, guys, we have water on the ground, and then it's also helped me, you know. So Kimbi wanda shule. I'm telling my sister it's supposed to run go to school, so I just pull up back home right now. I need to eat lunchtime. Even since morning, guys, I haven't taken anything. So I'm gonna take my lunch, and then also we have the quotation here, guys. So he told me each carabat take 1 bag of cement, and we didn't like construct all of them. So we're supposed to construct until where there's some places which is harder. So it's around 8 carabats from the ground, you know. And also when maybe water is a lot, we're supposed to hire the machine for pumping water. Man, a lot is here to come. And The reason why I put more effort on this borehole, it's because it has a lot of water, a lot. Even in future, I'm gonna put the motor to generate out or to pump water to the tank, and then my mom's house gets enough water. You know what I mean? So probably, guys, after taking my lunch, I'm going to look for the guy who dig this borehole, so by tomorrow they can able to remove the soil from the ground. You know, imagine, guys, how hectic it is, you know. And that being said earlier, let's build Africa, man. Let's build Africa. This is the time, you know. Maybe when I was young, as I am right now, let me do things. Maybe when I turn maybe around 45 to 50 years, man, I want to retire and then sitting at home doing my own things, you know. Right now, let me use this opportunity by transforming my home here, and things will be changing, guys, by step, you know. Everything that have some starting point also end in good way, you know. So guys, let me go inside to have the lunch. Man, I can't wait to see this circular stuff have been removed from here. I think I'm gonna cry, guys, but it is what it is. And we have another option, guys. We try to see whether we create a stuff like this circular, like a lid, and then we put on top. So maybe of anything you can come and remove that lid, like poof, put aside. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Wow. It's happened, guys. I haven't knew maybe one day it will collapse, but it's have already happened. So this video, it's longer. Right now I'm going also, after finishing my stuff, is to go another distance, going to look the guy who dig this borehole, and also removing the soil from the ground. You will see, guys, you know. Let me lock my bike. Yeah. You will see. So this video, it will take around only 1 hour, and then our video will end up. So maybe we shall meet maybe by tomorrow's videos, by God's grace. And even right now, let me settle down, guys. All right, guys, it's time to go and look that guy to his home, you know, and then to give him information that he's supposed to be here by tomorrow. The work's supposed to be done, you know. Yeah, it's good, guys, to have water. Water is life. Life is water, you know. Without water, no life. So let me close it here. So guys, the journey started once more again, you know. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, guys. Guys, I'm just fighting right left center, you know, day by day, guys, you know. Right now, guys, I have already taken my lunch, so it's time to go. But I say, guys, thank you so much for supporting me to have my bike. And right now, guys, see how it helped me going to Migori, coming back, going to Borehole town, coming back. Right now I'm going to the next village, man. Got a regretting right here. Woo! Okay, guys. You know. Okay, guys, full of green. That's the maize corn plantation and also finger millets. Hey, guys, I rotated since morning. I feel like I'm so tired like a goat, but I'm trying to push myself, you know, and how we. Yeah, I will make sure, guys, my family gets enough water, you know. Ya kubombela wewe. Yeah. The guy that I'm greeting there is the one who ride my first bike and gave to my mama some $2 per day, you know, for our daily income, you know. And for those people who asking, hello baby, where is your bike, where is your bike, man, I have it, my bike, I haven't sold that bike, it's just there, you know. And I think to open the business of motorbike spare parts, you know, those are nice business. Wow, materials construction right here. Perimeter wall, can see, for enough security. We are going, man. Yeah. I'm shooting these videos on Monday noon time. Just right, you know. And also, guys, I've already created job opportunity, you know, the villagers. Hey, people building here. This is a cheaper rental house in U.S.A. That one here, you know. Also, this is a rental house. It's a bit inexpensive, but not that much, you know. So that's how U.S.A. looks like, guys. Zongo. Wow. The Borehole village to the world. You can see even that house right there. So I don't want to go down. I'm heading this way, you know, going straight. Wow. This is another part of the village known as Rokere, but it's found within U.S.A. You know, it's more also this is a school here, an institution known as St. Luke. Wow, right here. This is the Anglican church right here. Right, and also ahead of me, where I'm pointing, have a polytechnic college, which is help people here around some villages too. Yeah, this is Burnett Training College. You know, on other side, maybe somebody want to do catering, masonry, carpentry, you know, engineering. They want to do that. Driving, you know. Heading straight. No cornering, guys. Yeah. Right. And all my videos, guys, sometimes it take 50 minutes, 1 hour. There, it can't go beyond. You know, 1 hour is the limit. Okay, an hour is the limit, and I probably there's no need to call that guy because he has some disabilities. So that's the reason why I keep going to his home personally, you know. Whew. Okay, we keep moving, man. This is other part of the village, man. Oh my god. Down here, something else. And I'm gonna make sure that I'm going to his home personal. Yeah. So guys, I realized one thing when I was riding the bike during sunny day. It's pretend like it's hotter, but we had that breeze from a distance, so it makes you coughing here and there. So I said, man, I'm gonna wear the jacket. So guys, stay tuned and I'm reached to his home. I'll show you guys more things. So guys, I reached at his place within here. Let me see. Okay guys, I met him, so by tomorrow he'll come home. Yes, we use here signs, guys. He was my friend. Yeah, I normally come to his home and then I give him job. Okay. Hi. Alright guys, right now I'm heading home. You can get from there. Oh my god. Keep moving, man. You know. Wow. Heading home. So right now the guy give me the stuff. You know, at the back you can see right there. I'm tightening them. Okay guys, I'm back home and man, I'm so tired. You know, since morning I was going through Migori here and there. So right now I was find that guy. So probably by tomorrow he'll be here removing the sand, and also the following day is to start constructing the carabat. And one carabat it's take 1 day. So when it's around 8, 7, man, that's 7 days, you know. So guys, I want to end my video by saying thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, guys. Without you, even I couldn't maybe manage to renovate this borehole, but by God's grace, man, things will moving perfect. And mom, wherever you are, thank you so much. I don't want to mention your name. May God bless you abundant. So we shall meet for the next videos. But remember guys, in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share. That's the best you can support Hello Baby Official. And also check out Felicitas support her guys. I really appreciate. So right now Shona fighting by you watching hour, you know. So in terms of subscribers, she also reached a target of 1,000. So on her side, she was fighting the remaining of 1,500 watching now, guys. Please watch their videos, guys. So let me end my videos, guys. I'm so tired. Bye.